In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide subscribers on YouTube, or more accurately, what's still possible now that YouTube has changed this feature. Let's start on the YouTube homepage. Open your browser and go to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into the account for the channel you want to work on. You should see your profile picture in the top right corner. If you don't, click sign in and log into the correct Google account first. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to that profile picture in the top right corner and click it. This opens a drop-down menu with all your account options. From here, look for the option called YouTube Studio and click on it. This will take you to your YouTube Studio dashboard, which is where you manage everything related to your channel. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings near the bottom and click on it. A settings window will pop up in the middle of the screen. Inside this window, you'll see several tabs on the left. Click on the one that says Channel. This section controls general settings for your channel. Once you're in the channel area, look along the top of the window for a tab called Advanced Settings and click that. In Advanced Settings, scroll down until you find a button or link that says Manage YouTube Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page in your browser with more detailed account options outside of YouTube Studio. On this new page, look at the menu on the left and select Privacy. This is where YouTube lets you control what other people can see about your activity on the platform. Now here's the important part. In the Privacy section, you'll notice that you can choose to keep all my subscriptions private. That setting hides the channels you subscribe to from the public. However, as of late 2020, YouTube has removed the option to hide your subscriber count from others. That means you can no longer fully hide how many subscribers your channel has using these settings. So while you can still keep your subscriptions private, there is currently no built-in way to hide your subscriber count itself. If YouTube brings this feature back in the future, it would appear in the same general area. So it's worth checking occasionally for updates.